Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover one important program that is always asked in an interview, that is reverse a string. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here I have created one test package and one class reverse string. Okay, now in main method, first we have to take some input that we want to reverse. So I've taken my channel name Gunjan Gupta official. Okay, now I have to convert the string to char. Okay, so I have taken this input dot to char and it should be saved in char only. So char array I have taken and I have written try1. Okay, as name. Okay, to char array I have used. Now I'm using for loop. So to cry dot length minus 1 till 0. Okay, less than equal to 0 and I minus 1 because we want reverse. Then try 1 and this I'm printing. And now let me run a Java program. See, GUNJANGUPTA official OFFICIAL. See, if you want to see that ma'am reverse is also same. Okay, so if you want to run, now the reverse will always be same only. Okay, so always take that name that you can reverse. So gun I have taken. Okay, and I am reversing it GUN. Okay, so this is working. So you can write this program in your interview and you will get selected. Best of luck. Okay, so if you have any question, please do comment and please subscribe my channel, do like my video and share it. Thank you. Bye bye.